Yeah. Okay. Hi everyone. Thank you again for joining today's sessions. Um, for today's session, we are going to discuss some stuff about cash on delivery. Actually, it's specific on cash on delivery, and yeah, we will go to into technical later on. But please do let me know if my voice is unclear or you cannot hear my voice. Please just say something in the chat. But yeah, back again to the topic. We are going to specifically discuss about cash on delivery, on how to create it, and what is the use case, and like what kind of workflow you can use with cash on delivery on this live. So to get an overview of cash on delivery, a lot of store have their own courier, or maybe some of them have third party, but let's focus on those of store who have their own courier and allow cash on delivery method. But you want to let the customer know that they can choose cash on delivery. They don't need to pay in advance, right? So how do you actually create cash on delivery on admin menu? um, It's super easy. You go to settings from admin dashboard right here. If you don't know how to go to admin dashboard, you can just type tech.app/admin, and then you will go to your admin dashboard if you already log in. Then once you are in admin dashboard, you can go to settings. Yeah. And then go to payments. And right here, you will see three type of payment, which is automated, local payment methods, and manual payment methods right here. Cash on delivery will be visible to be added in manual payment method. It will not be visible on this auto method or local payment method. Yeah. So I already create one right here, cash on delivery, but I will go through one more time how to do it. Okay. So first you go click add and then cash on delivery, and then right here, as you see, the payment method is cash on delivery, and you can write up some instruction that you think it's suit with your like cash on delivery method. Some idea is like ensure you have the exact amount ready upon delivery, right? So this kind of instruction is important because maybe um, your courier or like your in-house delivery guy do not have change, or maybe the guy use like $100, but like the product is only $20, and the courier guy doesn't have like $80 change. So this kind of instruction is super important if you utilize cash on delivery payment method. Okay. And on the other hand, also you can add image to show some visual like enhancement on the payment page. We will go to the payment page on the buyer or customer point of view later on, but I will show you how to set up the image first. Okay. So you go here and then you choose the image. Let's say this one. I already prepared the illustrations. Yeah. Then you can easily save like this. Okay. Now you have two cash on delivery. This will be confusing. I will just delete the first cash on delivery that I create. And now it's showing the new cash on delivery. Yeah. You can also change the sequence. It will be at the bottom where on the payment page, but you can move it to the top right here. So you save, and then what happens is when you actually order something, I will show you. We will refresh a bit how you orders on the stores. So let's say you order milk from the stores, and then maybe 3 choco milk, and then add, checkout, yeah. And then you fill in your name, phone number, email, and then check again your items already correct or not, and then you choose flat delivery, which is cash on delivery, and you put the test address, yeah, and then choose the time, confirm the location in the map, and then you go next. It will show the cash on delivery on the payment page. So as you can see, previously it's at the really bottom, but if we change the sequence, then it will move to the top like this. And when you click, and when the customer click cash on delivery, they will actually see all of the instruction right here, and sure you have the exec command ready upon delivery. And then they will be able to see the, like if you have visual things that you want to put on cash on delivery, maybe your promo code maybe, or anything related, then you can put it right here. And then the customer do not need to pay anything right here. They can just confirm and then send the order to WhatsApp. Once they send the order to WhatsApp, you will receive the order notifications, and then you can see right here, payment cash on delivery. It will be unpaid. It will always be unpaid unless you activate a specific function to mark it as paid. We will go through into that later on. But for cash on delivery, you cannot activate the automatic paid functions. And then it will also show the instruction on the cash on delivery. So your client or your customer do not have, like excuses that, oh, we don't have change. But you clearly state that on your message that, ensure you have the exact amount ready upon delivery. Yeah. This is the flow of cash on delivery, the normal flow. But we are adding another flow, which is workflow that you can incorporate with your cash on delivery payment method. So how do you do that? Yeah. So you go to workflow, okay, and then you don't need to read all of this. Yeah, you can just skip all of this because this is my own workflow. You skip to create workflow on the top right corner, and then the name you can change, something like customer COD notification when order is out for delivery. Yeah, and then the trigger that you need to set is order out for delivery, and then the action is send WhatsApp to customer, and template order notification to customers. And on the additional note, what I suggest is for you to clearly state that your order is on the way or out for delivery, up to you. Please ensure that you have cash on hand for payment, something like this, because you are using only COD, let's say. Yeah. And then when the order is created, when the fulfillment status is changed to out for delivery, it will send this kind of message to the clients on their phone numbers. I will show you in a minute. So let me save this one and then go back. Then you can see at the bottom, fulfillment, workflow, customer COD notification when order is out for delivery. Okay. And then when you mark the order, wait a minute. Sorry, give me a minute. Yeah. So when you mark the new order, this new incoming orders, let me just change the orders. the fulfillment status to out for delivery, like I said previously, this one, yeah. Then it will change right here, of course. Then the customer will receive a notification from our end that, hi, thank you for your order from the bar. This is your order status. Yeah, this one I haven't changed, so that's why it's say like this. But the fulfillment status changed to out for delivery, and we send this notification to your client number automatically from our official number. So it's super easy. Every time that you say the order is out for delivery, it will notify the customer that your order is on the way. Please workflow for COD. And then now I actually want to show you some use case on the COD itself. So a lot of you maybe have multiple message that you want to showcase in the instruction. Sorry, it was a bit slow. So in this case, there is ensure you have the exact amount ready upon delivery, but you can also just remove this and then just leave it blank, and then it will just show cash on delivery. That's it. Or maybe you can also give a warning like, like not applicable for order less than, like $10, because maybe you offer free delivery for this cash on delivery, right? But you don't want to allow them to use cash on delivery for order less than $10. So there is a lot of instruction that you can put for this cash on delivery. And the other setup that you can do is on the delivery part. So on the delivery part, you can of course use a lot of setup like flat delivery based on distance and anything like that. But if you use your in-house courier, you might want, maybe you have your own flat rate, then you can do something like this. So you name it like store delivery, in-house courier, flat rate. Yeah. Then the description you can put like for COD payment or something like this, or even right here for COD only. Yeah. And then it will always be $5 and minimum order value. Maybe, like you put like $10, like I previously mentioned, because if they don't order like more than $10, it will not be worth to give like free delivery. Let's say you do like free delivery, yeah. Delivery minimum order value is 10, and then how do you charge? Not applicable, which is it can be free. And then this one following the date and time picker that you can do also for your COD. Maybe you have your own timing for COD, then you can put like, oh, COD is only available in the early morning, like 9 to 11 p.m. a.m. You can change everything. Yeah, that's a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Other than that, it's not available. And you save. So you need to activate it. Don't forget. Then when you go to the store, when the customer go to the store and order their product like this, they will be able to choose, for COD only, the delivery type, store delivery, in-house courier, flat rate. Yeah, then they know for COD they have flat rate. Then they can choose the date only for those available date. Yeah, sorry, I didn't activate the time, so I can just choose date and time. and then save, and then refresh this. Yeah, and then there is time picker right now. And for, oh, I want to do COD on Monday. Oh, I can do only in the morning. So the customer will know that every type of delivery and payment method like this will have different payment, timing like that. So if flat delivery, then I can choose any date, and then maybe only in the evening like this. But for COD it's only in the morning. Maybe it's because of your operational flow, you have only availability for your courier in the morning because they need to go to usual route for like afternoon to evening. So you can decide on that. Yeah. So for the COD itself, I haven't shown you how it looks on the invoice. If they choose COD, it will also show in the invoice that they choose COD. Like this. Oh, sorry. Like this one. Yeah. So on your order detail, you can see that they choose COD for payment. Aside from that, you can also mark the like if you have a lot of orders and you don't know which one need to be like COD and in-house courier, then you can filter the order based on delivery. So you want to know today morning 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. what kind of delivery that I need to do for COD. Then you can filter by this delivery. You go to orders, filters, right here, and then delivery, and then click for COD only, and then yeah. So I haven't created any order, so there is no order found. Yeah. But you can filter based on that. Oh, how do you create some visual for COD? Actually, there is this easy tips that you can just use. You can go to Canva and then just type like cash on delivery as a template. Then you will see a lot of like free or pay template for cash on delivery, and you can utilize this maybe in your store payment page, or maybe even in the storefront, so people will know that, oh, I allow cash on delivery, like that. So like for example, it's 280 back, right? I want to show that my store allow cash on delivery, so I can go to design storefront and add image card. Then I put like cash on delivery illustration right here. Then what buyer will be able to see is, oh, they allow cash on delivery. So yeah, so it will also increase your sales in the future if people in your market prefer cash on delivery over the online payment. Okay, maybe I'm speaking too fast, and let me just check a couple questions on this. Is this using the official WhatsApp API or any kind of WhatsApp will work? You can use WhatsApp Business or WhatsApp Personal to use TCAP. Why customer seeing TCAP only doesn't it out of delivery has been sent to WhatsApp customer number only? So if you are talking about workflow, then the workflow specifically made for the customer notifications for this workflow. But of course, if you want to create another workflow that send to your staff member, then you can also do that. Let's say out for delivery, and then send to WhatsApp, order notification to staff, and then like just send this notification to your staff, so your staff will know. Or other type of courier, let's say you have third-party integration and then you want to do COD, then I think it will be based on your operational flow and your agreement with the third-party COD, because we don't have like this third-party courier integration, so we cannot mark it's been on the way or delivered yet as for now. Yeah. Let me check if I cover the yeah. So also for COD, some of you might want to charge something because it's COD and you want to have like flat charge to the courier. Then you can give explanation like this, like COD charge. There it is, and then you can maybe put like flat amount $3 or something like that. Let's just keep it blank, safe. And then what happens is when they do, let's say for COD, then there will be like COD charge like this, $3. But make sure that you have only one type of delivery, because other will also show COD charge, something like this. So this is only a small tip for those of you who only do COD and no other type of delivery. Then you can utilize service charge as a COD charge if you have any charge for your courier like that. You guys should really consider professional subscriber to remove the take app. Yeah, so this create your take app can be removed in business plan. If you check in the dashboard, design, and then appearance, then you can go down and show take app logo branding and remove it, right? I mean, now it's showing, but if you do this and save, it will be removed. So yeah, it's as simple as that. It will be available in business plan. You can connect to me directly if you have question on the business plan. I will be available on WhatsApp group, so you can just text me there. Yeah. Other than this, you can also utilize COD discount with COD. So you can create discount and create discount code, and title is like discount for COD, and then COD free delivery. I mean, like maybe not free, maybe COD 50% discount off the order. Maybe it's too much. Yeah, but you can also utilize discount to like make your COD become more like appealing. Yeah, other than that, we cover most of it. So if you have any questions related with COD and the driver fulfillment, and then how to create a workflow to show that your order is out for delivery and you're using COD payment, you can ask me right here. But if we don't have any more questions, then I will close this session, as we already covered most of COD use case for now. Could email on the checkout page be optional? Yeah, sure. So if you go to design, checkout. Oh, do you mean optional, like it's not required to be filled in? Currently, we don't have that function, but what I thought you mean optional is like removing it like from the store. If you don't want to have the email input, then you can completely remove it. But if you already activate it, then the customer required to fill it in. But it's a good input. We will review that for future improvement. Understood. I would love to have it, but make it optional. So yeah, I will review this with my team if we can actually make it optional function, like some other function on the checkout. If we don't have further questions, I will close the session right here. And thank you everyone for joining today's live session. Hopefully, it will be useful for those of you who haven't used COD, or for those of you who already used COD before. And let us meet again in the new session. Next week session. Bye bye. Oh, is there way where we are with feature and all currently working, and when is the ETA again? Oh, so we have a feature request board on the I will show you. So we have this feature request board that you can check. I will attach right here. You can see what is in our roadmap, what is being planned in progress or maybe complete. There is also some that in review, but this is only our like proximity. We don't have an actual ETA for when it will be launched. But if you want to see all the changes that we do every week, then you can go to take.app/changelog, and you will be able to see that we are updating our functions in weekly basis, so don't worry. And we are keep improving based on your requests. So yeah, as long as it's aligned with product roadmap, we will keep you updated in this changelog for any new features that we launch or any improvement that we have in Taken. All right, I will close this session right here, and let us meet again in the next session.